Hello students, today we will discuss very important topic, that is distinction of haloalkane and haloarene. That means how can you distinguish chemically by suitable test haloalkane and haloarene, in between haloalkanes, in between haloarenes. So let us discuss. But you will know that different types of haloalkane and haloarenes are possible on the basis of their structures. We know this is your haloalkane if R and X, simply R is alkyl group and X, that is your haloalkane. Alkane. If organic compound, haloalkanes, if organic compounds, that this group CH2 double bond CH, if this group is there, if the group is CH2 double bond CH and attached to halogen, this is called vinyl group. This group is called vinyl. And if the group contains CH2 double bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2X, this is called allyl. Alkyl, this is called haloalkane or alkyl, vinyl and allyl. If the group contains this group, aromatic group, this is called aryl, aryl or phenyl, and if the group contains like this, this is called benzyl. This group is called benzyl. Aryl, allyl, vinyl, and this. And this type of group also exists, cyclic compound, like this. This is cycloalkyl. This group is called cycloalkyl group. So different types of R, that alkyl group can be attached to halogen. Pure alkyl, vinyl, allyl, aryl, benzyl or cycloalkyl. Different types of groups are attached. So what are the common test to distinguish haloalkane or haloarene, any types of haloalkane or your that is haloarene can be distinguished using a common test. The test is called silver nitrate test. Very important this one. This is the common test for all haloalkane and haloarenes, which will give or which will not give. What is silver nitrate test? First, in silver nitrate test, what you will do? First step, you will add aqueous KOH. First step, aqueous KOH will be added. Then it will be hot aqueous KOH, or you can add aqueous KOH. Then you have to heat the solution. Then followed by silver nitrate solution in nitric acid medium. That means after adding aqueous KOH, you can add nitric acid, then silver nitrate solution. So this is the two steps. You have to first aqueous KOH, then silver nitrate solution, acidified silver nitrate solution, nitric acid, fired silver nitrate solution. It will be followed before addition of, after addition of aqueous KOH. aqueous test, then silver nitrate solution. These two reagent is used for silver nitrate solution. If the reagent gives positive test, for positive test is very important. If it will give positive test, then the precipitate is obtained. Precipitate will be obtained. Precipitate will be obtained. What precipitate will obtain? Precipitate is HgX. HgX will be for HgX has in as it is water insoluble, so it is obtained as precipitate. If the solution contain X, suppose if the group is X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. If fluorine is present, the result is HF. If the result is precipitate will be HgX. If fluorine is present, if the organic compound contains fluorine, then HgF. But HgF, no result. As soluble in water. No result. If the compound contains fluorine, fluoro compound will not give silver nitrate test because HgF produced which is what? Water soluble. But if the content chlorine, then HgCl, that is white PPT is formed. If the organic compound is bromine, then HgPr, that is pale yellow. If organic compound iodine, then AgI, that is yellow. Yellow precipitate is formed. So this is the main result. If fluorocompound is there, then no result will obtain. Colorless solution will obtain because Ag is water soluble, ionic character. AgCl less soluble, white precipitate. AgBr less soluble, pale yellow precipitate. AgI less soluble, yellow precipitate, because all are having covalent character except AgF. So this is the result if it gives positive test, silver nitrate test. So let us discuss which compound will give positive test and which compound will do not give the test, that is negative test. But remember, all haloalkane positive test, which will give positive test? Positive test only given by Rx compound, except fluorine. Except fluorine, all will give positive test. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, if haloalkane is there, then gives positive test. That is, as per the halogen, the particular halogen present, it gives the result. Then other which will give positive test, then benzyl group. Benzyl groups also give positive test. It will give also positive test. Then cycloalkyl group will give positive test. It will give also positive test. All alkyl group. Then another is very important is allyl group. Allyl group also give positive test. It will give also positive test. So these are very important. All alkyl group, all haloalkane, benzyl haloalkane, that is benzyl halides, then cycloalkyl halides, then allyl halides, all will give what? Positive test. We will discuss later. Mainly, as this compound, when this compound reacts with silver nitrate, produce X minus, because if you do this thing, this one and this R and this one, if you do all produce carbocation. Carbocation is possible. Carbocation is possible. That means either free carbocation or SN1. Both will give SN1, SN2 mechanism. That is SN1 or SN2 mechanism. If it gives SN1, SN2 mechanism means the halide will be separated. The halogen will be removed by nucleophiles. So as it will give all, as you see, as the solution is aqueous KOH, so OH minus replacing X minus. So X minus will be free in the solution. In all the cases, X minus is free. As X minus free, already know SN1, SN2 mechanism. As X minus is free, then it will it reacts with what? If you take HgNO3 and X minus, the result will be HgX. So HgX has specific color except silver fluoride. That's why all will give positive test, because it will give benzyl carbocation which is stable by resonance. It will give it is planar shape, it is also possible. Allyl carbocation is also stable and R plus also stable. That's why SN1, SN2 mechanism is possible. That's why the result is X minus, halides will produce, and when you add silver nitrate solution, halide reacts with silver nitrate producing HgX and specific color. That's why easily identified. Negative test. Which will give negative test? Negative test means does not show this test. Only that aryl group. Which is group? Aryl group. Aryl group will not give test. Because already know, as aryl group already we have discussed in the theory that as it has resonance, so double bond character is formed. As it has a double bond character, so X cannot be replaced by nucleophile. So you know aryl compound, aryl halides does not give nucleophile substitution action because double bond character. Already we have discussed in theory. So aryl halides does not give, and also vinyl. Vinyl also will not give. Vinyl will also not give. Why? It has also resonance. If you see, vinyl group also resonance, and it also acquires double bond character. Aryl gets double bond character, and it also gets double bond character. Due to double bond character, what happens? This X cannot be replaced by nucleophile. That's why vinyl, aryl halides do not give silver nitrate test. So these are very important distinction, that which group will give positive test, which will not give positive, which will not give the test, that is negative test. So you have to write, what are the test. You have to first, silver nitrate test means you have to add first aqueous KOH solution, then hot the solution, then followed by acidified silver nitrate. So acidified means nitric acid will be added. Then if it gives SN1, SN2 reaction, if the particular halides give SN1 or SN2 reaction, then the product will be X minus in the solution. So X minus ion will be available in the solution. When it will be available, then what happens? It gives silver halides. As it reacts with silver nitrate, produce silver halides. Silver halides, except fluorides, all are insoluble in water and give specific color. But your aryl and vinyl group do not give, because due to resonance, halogen gets double bond character, the bond strength increases. That's why it cannot be substituted by nucleophile. So this is the main difference between which haloalkane, which haloarene will give positive test of silver nitrate solution or not. Then another important, if the compound is bulky group, remember, if bulky group is there, for example, this one, it will not give also positive test, because this bulky group will not allow to attacking OH minus. OH minus you are going to add fast OH minus, aqueous KOH, no reaction. Generally, the reaction is very slow. Generally, the formation of X minus, that is the substitution reaction will not take place due to the overcrowded of this carbon which is attached to halogen. When the carbon is overcrowded, will be the statically protected, then nucleophile cannot attack this carbon. That's why it does not give what? No SN, it does not give SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. It will not give. Cross means it will not give that's why it will not give the silver nitrate test. What are the other group which will not give silver nitrate test? That if the compound is, that is bicyclo compounds, that is if the group is like this, if the group is like this, bicyclo compound, if it contain one halogen here, if one halogen is present here, then this type of compound will not give azeotropic test, because it will not give SN1 SN2 mechanism, because this group is bulky. This group is that this bicyclo compound also opposes the attacking of nucleophile, and another thing is it cannot produce carbocation. So it cannot give SN1 reaction, it cannot give SN2 reaction, because this group bicyclo compound, what happens? It will not produce X minus, because carbocation is not possible, and this group bicyclo compound, this group will be obstructed. This will not allow the attacking of nucleophile. That's why this type of compound will not give what? Silver nitrate test. Another examples also you can write like this. If this group type of compound you can write like this. Suppose X here. This type of compound also will not give. It will not give also. This group will not give silver nitrate test, because it cannot produce free X minus. Carbocation is not possible, and this group is, this cyclic compound will not allow the attacking of OH minus to the living group. That's why this type of test, silver nitrate test, only indicates the which haloalkane, which halo compound will give positive test and which will not give the silver nitrate test. Only which that will give, it has specific color. Either if halogen, already have told you, if fluoro compound is there, no result will obtain, because silver fluoride is water soluble, ionic character, but AgCl, AgBr, AgI is there, then you can identify the presence of that haloalkane, which haloalkane will give azeotropic test or not. So this is a very important distinction between haloalkane, in between haloalkane, or haloalkane and haloarene. Only common test is silver nitrate test. We have to see the structure, whether vinyl group, allyl group, or aryl. If vinyl, aryl is there, it is negative test. This is the mainly negative. This stars, that star symbol is negative test. Okay, and other will give. And this is also will not give. This bicyclo compounds, that is also will not give the silver nitrate test, because this will not allow the attacking of nucleophile. So this is regarding the distinction of haloalkane and haloarene. You practice more from different competitive books. Any doubt, you can interact with me. Okay? Thank you all.